Yellowdig's point system is a gamification system. And, when I say that to people, it's not always clear that they understand what I mean by that. And the easiest way to describe what I mean by that is that, gamification and the concept behind it is using game mechanics to change behavior. So the Yellowdig point system was really designed to encourage the kind of behaviors that we want to see, and to reward those behaviors so that people are more likely to do them in the future. And in the future is a really important part of that. A lot of people will ask us if our point system measures quality, or is a good way of assessing student knowledge. And I begrudgingly say no, because the point system was designed to actually produce those things, not measure them. So I always say that the point system, doesn't look backward that much. It provides points for students as they're behaving and as other students are interacting with their content. And the idea of that is entirely to create, better behavior going forward, to get better content posted, to get students to, engage in more thoughtful conversations. So if you're thinking about how to use the point system, there are definitely ways that you can make it as sort of an assessment. You can give accolades to students, that are producing really good content. But if you think about that as encouraging that behavior in the future rather than grading the behavior in the past, what you're doing is trying to create a healthier and stronger community with that system. So, I think it really helps to just think of Yellowdig points as always accumulating for good behavior and good things, not necessarily punishing people that don't take part, right? And they'll get punished if they don't take part in Yellowdig's, if they don't participate in Yellowdig's point system. They'll either have to work harder to get the same number of points, or they just won't get their points. But it's really a forward-facing system, and that's a really important way to think about the Yellowdig